Hey, what's up guys? It's Leon Gaming here, and for today's video, pagpapatuloy nating laruin ang level 3 ng Duels RPG. At kung napadaan naman kayo sa ating channel, huwag niyo nakalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang bell para sa mga susunod na video. Kung handa na ang lahat, simulan na natin! Level 3, tingnan natin. So, click here to task. So, crafting. Inventory, rather. Hanapin natin yung basic craftable axe.
Applied. 5 bleeding damage suffered. Lasts for 2 turns. Value. Not sellable. 4x. Cancel. You cannot sell.
Misclick, sorry.
Tools are iron bar. Learn.
So, ngayon,
Words. Paragraphs. Links. Words. Character. Words. Lines. Link. Scroll. Accessibility. Increase. Increase.
so ngayon, punta na ulit kayo sa task.
Out of grid. Tab. Learn crafting. Click here. Buy wood plank from the shop. Complete this task to unlock item crafting.
Shop, punta kayo sa shop.
Hit shop. Lock. Vendor name. Howdart.
Kay Howdart.
Wood plank. Merchant. Buy. How much? Wood. Dual. See. Cop. Sick. Cancel. Buy item.
Okay, ang mahal ng kahoy, 60 pesos.
Okay.
I mean, ang mura pala ng kahoy, 60 pesos.
Close. Wood.
So, punta na tayo sa task again.
Task.
Kung nabili na natin ang wood plank.
Buy wood plank. Click here to craft item. Basic craftable axe. Complete this task.
Basic craftable axe. Kailangan nating
Skill. Craft item. Shop. Shop. Crafting.
pumunta sa crafting.
Undiscovered.
Hanapin ang weapons.
Lock. Melee weapon.
Melee weapon.
Basic.
So, nakita niyo na naman yung attribute kanina ng basic craftable axe. Nagbibigay nga siya ng wound kapag tumama siya ng directly
Out of
sa kalaban.
tasks.
Punta ulit kayo sa task.
Craft item. Click here. Equip item. Basic craftable axe. Complete this task to unlock selling.
So, kailangan natin
Inventory.
equip siya.
Mail. Sword item. Training sword. Basic.
Equip. Punta tayo sa task.
Equip item. Click here. Sell item from inventory. Basic sword. Sell item from inventory. Training sword. Skills. Skill.
Sa inventory, sell daw natin yung mga
Unlabeled.
yung dalawang unang mga sandata niya.
Training sword. Base. Dual. Equip. Set. Equip. Set. Are you base? Cancel. Duals RPG. Training sword.
Itong training sword din, ibibenta.
Sell. Duals RPG. Out of grid. Tab.
Punta tayo sa task.
Sell. Click here to complete the new quest. Complete this task to obtain fire equipment.
Uy, fire equipment.
Lock. Complete the new
Punta tayo sa cavern for quest.
tab. Tab. Lock. Quest give giver name. Zarha. Tap to show
Uy,
quest.
iba naman ang magbibigay ng quest sa atin, hindi nga si Everhild. Si Sharha naman.
Zarha. Quest. The Lost Book. Hey there, could you help me out? Sadly, my home has been overgrown with mold and I've been forced to move. In my rush to pack, I left a book behind. Would you go there and bring it back for me?
Okay, book, lost book.
Reward. Plus 100 XP.
100 XP, 30
Minor
gold,
fire staff.
minor fire staff,
Minor slot. Weapon. 16 fire damage. Unsuccessful cast. Increase damage by 40% if target has burning. Value. Sell for 166 gold. Cloak.
okay, minor fire
Magic
staff.
attack. Fireball.
Uy,
Fireball. Window.
skill shaking.
4 CD.
Skills nga siya.
Magic attack. 11 mana. 16 fire damage. Applied. Burning. To end. 4 fire damage sub. Lasts for 1. Close.
Okay, so fireball, skill, apoy naman,
Close. 2x pyramid.
pyramid,
1x tome of wisdom. 2x. 1x. Cancel. Start. 2x. Pyramid. Common resource for crafting fire equipment.
basic fire equipment resources,
1x tome of wisdom.
Tome of Wisdom.
Tome. Increase your current and maximum learning points by 1.
Okay, learning,
Cloak.
max learning points by 1.
Can start quest. Duel. And as you enter the front yard of the old house, you find a large doorway. It must be the main entrance to the building. Enter the house.
Enter.
The front door opens into a hallway and you see 2 other doors. One to your left and another at the far end of the room. A stairway leads up to the 2nd floor. There is hardly any furniture or personal items in the house. The former resident has probably already moved her useful belongings to her new home.
Okay,
Take the left door.
left door.
You enter a room that once served as a kitchen. There are several shelves, boxes, and some broken plates on the floor. Examine the shelves.
Punta tayo sa shelves.
You find something useful among some smashed glasses and dust.
Uy,
Take the item.
item useful.
You enter a room that
Wow,
once served as a kitchen.
skill.
There are several skill found. Spoilage touch. 4 CD. Melee attack. 11 mana. 5 poison damage.
Poison damage naman siya.
Unsuccessful cast. Removes a boost from an enemy which has 2 or less turns left. Take.
Okay,
Examine the shelves. Examine the boxes.
box.
You slowly open the box, and a creature jumps out.
Uy, my god.
Defend. In progress. 0 for. Hit with infectious bite. 18 poison damage.
Siya ulit, yung daga.
Increased by armor. Giant rat. Hit. Melee attack.
One hit na lang siya ngayon. So, nakita niyo po yung pagtaas ng strength niya kasi dati 4 hits niyang tinalo tong daga pero ngayon
Leave.
1 hit na
Fight
lang.
has ended. Hit with melee attack. 20 physical damage. Applied basic axes wound for 2 turns. Leave combat. In progress. You find nothing in the boxes. The dead rat is lying on the floor in 2 halves, gushing purplish red blood everywhere. Back. You examine, leave,
Leave.
go upstairs. Take the far door.
Tong far door.
As you enter the room, you catch a glimpse of a figure. Looter, I sure hope you have some coins on you. I'd hate to kill you for nothing. 3 period. Defend yourself.
Defend.
Duel 0. Shield 1. HP 49. 1 M 1 icon looter 100 MP 100 icon
So, 100 pa kami parehas.
melee preparation melee attack
Attack, melee attack.
100 3849 HP 67%.
67% malaki yung ano.
Hit with range
Malaki ang
daggers.
naging
16
epekto
physical
sa
damage
kanya.
minus 6 decreased by armor. Applied rain of daggers bleeding for 7 turns.
So,
Melee
may sugat tayo. Gamitin natin ang hope.
The loot. Hit with rain of daggers. Looter sub. Preparation with hope. Special. Healed 16 equals 56 plus O from healing power over heal. Hit with poison shot. 32 poison damage minus 6
Poison shot?
increased by armor. I. Applied poison shot for 5 turns. Lunar suffered 5 bleeding
Uy,
damage. Lock
nagdudugo
melee
siya.
attack. Preparation. Cleanse
Cleanse
poison.
poison naman.
56, 2840, HP 57, 2849, HP 57, 50, 0, 0, icon of the enemy,
Ayan,
button,
24%.
80, 80, HP, 106, 100,
80% yun sa akin.
prep, hit with melee attack,
Melee
hit
attack.
with melee attack, 11 physical damage, hit with melee, hit with mixing poison dagger attack,
Mixing
16
poison.
damage minus 6 decreased by armor. Lunar melee. Hit with melee attack. Lunar suffer. Hit with melee attack. Hit with mixing poison dagger attack. Lunar sub. Fight hat.
Okay, yung sugat niya po yung pumatay sa kanya.
In progress. It's the study room. A table, a chair, and some empty bookshelves are in the room. There are some empty paper sheets here and there, but nothing extraordinary. The slain bandit lies on the floor. Examine.
Examine.
Leave the room. Iron ore X value. Sell for 120 gold. 3. Take.
Okay, nakakuha tayo ng bakal sa kanya.
Leave the room.
Leave.
Take. Go
Akyat
upstairs.
tayo sa
You
hagdan.
are on the first floor. There is a single room in front of you. You can barely see inside because there's no natural light in that room. Go to the bedroom. Go down. Go to.
Punta tayo sa
You enter the bedroom. It becomes
Bedroom.
harder to ignore the stench of blight coming from the walls. Search in the nightstand.
nightstand.
Among the remains of the melted candles and the rotten apple, you find something useful. Take the. You enter item found. Pyro gun slot. Hand.
Uy,
Plus
gloves.
3 fire damage. Increase. Burning. By 1 turn. Value. Take.
Okay,
Search in the nightstand. Search under the bed.
under the bed.
As you put your hand under the bed, you feel it brush against something. Take the item. As you put your hand under the bed, you feel it brush against something. You have just found what you were looking for. The book.
Wow, nahanap na natin ang book.
Text. Take.
Take,
Search under. Leave the.
leave.
Quest completed. Tap here to leave
So,
quest
tapos
area.
na ang quest natin dito. Pwede na tayong umalis.
Dual. Close. Finding. HP.
Level 4.
Dual. Wattpad.
And,
2 has 2. Folder.
yan nga po ang pagkatapos ng level 4.
Audio lab. Pause
At
recording.
kung nagustuhan niyo po ang ating video, don't forget to subscribe. And ipagpapatuloy natin yung susunod na video, which is yung level 4 sa susunod. Bye!